You've probably seen the term CRISPR everywhere in the news right now, so here's an easy video explaining how that works. I'm going to try my best to take out all of the scientific terminology I can and simplify this down. So let me know if you have any further questions by the end of it. So firstly, CRISPR is a gene editing tool that was first found in bacteria. And the reason why it's so big is because it's relatively cheap and really easy to produce compared to other gene editing tools. And that's why it's the one that's most widely used. An easy way to think about CRISPR is to imagine you're writing a document. And within that document, you realize you've made a mistake and you have to go fix that mistake. So what do? You Control F, you find where it is, and you fix it. CRISPR works pretty much exactly like that, except with regions in our DNA. For example, you can have a sequence here, and the scientists can identify, okay, this region right here, this is what I want to fix. What they do is they design the CRISPR system to specifically recognize this sequence. Now, the CRISPR system is made of two main components, and that is the guide RNA and the Cas9 protein. So these two things are attached together, and the guide RNA is basically going to take this protein to that specific sequence that the scientists want to take it to. And then once it gets there, that Cas9 protein makes a cut in the DNA. Now, as soon as the cut is made, our cells have their own machinery to go and fix this, which they do. And this can result in one of two things. So one, either now that gene is going to be completely turned off, meaning it's not going to be used at all, or we go and we repair that sequence. So now the correct protein is going to be formed.